Hello. Boxes, a few things. This is an advent calendar that Mama Paget sent. Here's the sliding door onto our deck. Fortunately, it is dark right now, but you can see there's city glow over there. We have a couple chairs over here, stairs down to the backyard. Okay. Right now we have Luma's food on the table, but it'll probably end up somewhere else, like on top of the bookshelf or something. Isaiah's desk, still a few boxes, but it's looking better. And right now I have a puzzle set up. So this section looks a lot better than it did. We have the couch, pillows, blankets. I did put up some decor today, which is very similar setup to how it was in the old house or the old apartment. The bedroom has a few boxes and suitcases still, but that's my dresser and craft supplies I need to go through and get rid of. And the bed, a few boxes, a few lamps that we need to find a place for. My desk, one of our rotating shelves, and then there's this nice wardrobe. So we have storage up top, and each wardrobe has cubbies and like a location to hang up pants. And then there's nice space down below for like shoes. That's enough, ma'am. And then we have, so this is the door I came in at the beginning. Again, boxes, but we're going to go through stuff, and there's a place in the basement to store stuff. So we have the bathroom. We just recently moved the litter box into this cabinet, which works really well. We have this door can close, and then I just need to rearrange these shelves a little bit so I can put that in there. Towels, our shower, and now we have the litter box down here, which is nice and out of the way. And then I'll organize these a little better, but I figured out that having our cleaning supplies visible, I'm much more likely to use them, which is nice. Here's our little itty bitty kitchen. So this is the part of our house that's been a challenge. So we do have a few boxes still over here. Ziva, that's enough. But I've been able to cook in the kitchen several times now. So we have the mini fridge here, and we have milk and ginger ale and like sandwich stuff, and the top shelf is usually leftovers, and then more sandwich stuff. I'm gonna make brats for dinner for date night. And then microwave, fruit, bread. In the old house we kept our bread in the fridge, but we've just accepted that it has to sit out now. This is the induction burner, so a single burner toaster oven. We just put the burner over here when we're using it. Dish mat, kettle, toaster, knife block, snack cabinet. This is a mixed purpose pantry and kitchenware, glasses, seasonings and tea. And then so that's our kitchen. It's fairly functional now. I'm very happy with it. We're going to put that into storage because the water tastes really good here. So the Brita, we don't need it. And that's it. I'm going to pause and just show you guys the outside. Okay, so this is down the stairs. Oh, the cat is trying to escape. She loves the carpet. I'm going to have you go back in there for a minute. Go on. Thank you. Okay. Down the stairs. We have a nice little private hallway here. This is the rest of the house. We have a basement. I'll quickly come down here, show you guys. So we have great laundry, washer dryer. It does a great job. We have our own little shelf with our stuff. And then this is our storage right now. I've been using this for folding laundry. I recently got all of our pantry goods labeled so I can get in here and figure out what I need. And then we're going to be selling a few things and selling our baker stand and a few other things, AC unit, and getting a apartment size fridge so we can have more freezer stuff. And, you know, just get groceries that might last more than a week at a time. Okay, so outside. This is the entryway. The landlady does weaving, so this is hers. And the nice little mirror to check how you look. I'm in pajamas, so please ignore. And then outside, this is the view. Isaiah parks there, I park here, and then there's an entryway here for people who pick up Gisela to go out and do things together. And then this is what the house looks like from the road. Ugh. There it is. That's us up there. That's our bedroom and that's our bathroom. And I'd show you the backyard, but there's no light out there. There's this big backyard over here. There's a separate fenced-in area back there. And there's a pool. So it's great. Sorry this is so long, but that's it.